guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but today I will be going on a road trip. A very last minute, literally planned in a day surprise road trip. So yeah, I figured it'd be a good time to start back vlogging again. And I've done a whole move. I actually ended up moving to Florida, guys. And yeah, stay tuned. And right now it is, what time is it? It is 9:36. We're going to, I forgot the name of the place, but I'll add it later. It's like near Tampa, Florida. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and welcome back. Okay guys, so now we're about an hour away. We just went on a coffee bathroom break, and yeah, this is my little outfit for traveling. My wipes.
About 2 o'clock in the morning. We're there almost reach. So forward.
Looking back at this, guys, I was so obsessed with Lay's donuts at this point, and right now this food is so good. Okay guys, so this is our little Airbnb. This is the kitchen area. Cute, simple.
She was excited about this shit, oh.
I am.
Come talk to me, what you gotta say?
Okay guys, so we just got back from Aldi. It is like 1:30 right now. So I still have to, we still didn't eat yet, but we have leftovers. We have some chicken and rice that we brought from home. And that was my first time going to Aldi, and everything is so much cheaper. I'm gonna definitely have to go back there. But I'm starving. I'm about to share some food out for myself and eat. I still don't know exactly what we're doing today. I know we're going to a winery later on. So hopefully that's good. And they have like the food truck that's going to be there for today is actually a Caribbean food truck. So that should be good too. And we'll see where else today takes us. And this is my hair. Looks a little weird right now, but I got these. I had braids and then I wrapped the locks around them. Yeah.
Memories.
We're going to the winery. It's
turn left, then turn right.
Okay guys, so we made it to the winery. We basically slept all day after we ate, but we made it to the winery. See him there. And they're supposed to, oh, I see it. He's a chef. Okay. I wish we were here early enough for the wine tasting. About to get some jerk chicken. Okay, by yourself. Hey guys, so we just woke up and it is like, it's about to be 9 a.m. and
She promised that this time would be different, but everywhere is wrong.
And we have to check out at 10. So I'm about to clean up all these stuff and pack up and get ready to go. Last night we pretty much went to this spot. We didn't drink any wine, we just ate and then went home and drank here. Today we're gonna try to see what activities we can do. I think there's a go-kart thing we can go to, and there's a park, the state park here. We're not gonna go kayaking like we wanted to. But yeah, let's see where this thing goes. And it's really cold here. It's like 50 degrees. I didn't think it would be this cold. Probably because it's like 5 degrees in New York, but still, it's Florida. Why is it so cold? Hey guys, so our Airbnb is all cleared out. Everything's looking good. This is what I'm wearing. Don't mind my hair, I didn't do it. And yes, let's see what happens today. As we were driving around, we found this market thing and we bought a bunch of handmade items. We bought like a mermaid box and then we went out to get some breakfast. Weeki Wachee.
I want to be a mermaid.
You want to be a mermaid? Home of the famous mermaids. Look, you can't be a mermaid.
Okay.
How is it so clear and still green? We should take a picture right there.
You see a picture of them?
I wonder if these are the real mermaids' names that swim around here. Just casually showing you a snake in the water while we were waiting to go on the boat tour. But this park is basically just a state park with animals. This area is known for its mermaids. Like, that's their signature for the town. We didn't get to go to the mermaid show because we were late for it after waiting a while for this boat tour, but we got to see different animals and got a nice little ride on the spring. So yeah.
The mullet is a silver-colored fish you see leaping up out of the water. It's pretty cool to watch. But the mullet at all. And they're pretty beneficial to have around. Snakes are amazing about skin-wearing neighbors, mother-in-law, children, small frogs, lizard snakes.
Look at him, he's following him. There's a peacock. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. Whoa.
3 days later.
Hey guys, what's up? It's like a few days later. Yeah, I took out my locks, so I have my natural bun going on right now. Not bun, but ponytail. And it literally took me the whole trip of driving. It literally took me the whole trip back. It literally took me the whole trip back, plus a little more, to take out the braids and locks. And I still wasn't done when I got back. So that was like a 5-hour trip and it still wasn't done. I haven't been doing much since we got back. Just been working, had a day off. Work today again. And I have a day off again tomorrow, so we'll see what goes on then. And right now I am getting some pizza. My boyfriend's out there getting it right now. So yeah, that's tonight. And it's Tuesday, so it's like a good 3 days later. But that was a nice little getaway we had. We didn't really do too much because it was like a small town we went to, but it was still cool to get away, relax, sleep, and see a new town. Okay, yeah guys, let's see what else happens this week.
Me and my girlfriend, we're at my favorite place in the world. Come on, baby. You want me to do it wide angle or close? There go.
Hey guys.
She's shy.
Hey guys, welcome back. I haven't recorded for a few days, but today's Friday, and today we're going kayaking. We're at the, where are we?
I don't remember the name of the park.
We're at some kind of state park in Fort Lauderdale. So, this is my first time kayaking, guys. I'm nervous. We're gonna go in together, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good, because I think my arms are gonna get tired. Okay, let's go. Well, my dreams are killed.
Excuse me. That's so cute. She's shy, but she's learning how to vlog, you know?
Okay, so, oh, look at that yacht, or whatever it is. So we found a meditation garden.
Not grapes.
This reminds me of what, Moana? What is it? The labyrinth, walking a sacred path.
Labyrinths have been used through the ages as a metaphor for one's life journey. Walking to the center of a labyrinth encourages focus and reflection and can lead to spiritual and emotional well-being. There's no right way to walk into the labyrinth. Just begin.
Cool. Let's walk. And I guess you're supposed to sit here. Hope there's no bugs on it. Over there is cute. And then there's the water over here.
Like this. Only been days, but it felt like months. Like months.
Ooh, I want that house.
Move fast and you
Jump and swim to it.
sound doing what I want.
Let's go over there.
Hope you doing what you want.
It's over there.
You want.
Pick one. Some of these are dedicated to people.
You don't sell a soul fancy don't want that, no?
No,
You go sit down
I
on
read
it?
it. I read it. I read it. That's why I didn't walk through it before I read it. Ooh, I want one of these in my backyard. What is this? I'll sit under here.
What we are doing?
Meditate.
You have vlog too?
Yes.
You can send me them footage.
Okay.
What we are doing?
We're meditating.
Meditate?
Oh my god, I thought the string on my pants was a bug. Yo. Be serious.
Certain things start happening, me can say. If
Nothing's
anything,
gonna happen to me.
come. If anything
Can't
happen, me
stop
can
any
know. Say,
classes.
at this, you got trouble.
Look what we found.
You got trouble, it not me. What me? Let me see.
I'm scared now. It's a snake.
No, I'm pump.
I know, I'm just joking. Ew.
Yeah, see there already.
Let's go.
See that little video there?
Mm-mm.
You tell you about
Say it
food
again.
place and him something.
What is it?
No, we don't say it though, because you
Miami seed.
I seen one of them more. When they might explain like some diner, some nice date spot, food place. We still want them to go too far.
Okay guys, so it's another day, the next day, and we're back here at the park again to try and do the kayaking. Yeah. Oh god, this is too windy. Okay guys, so right now we're in the wilderness. We're back again, it's the next day, and we're gonna try to do the kayaking again. I don't know what else to say. What is it? Oh, it's a butterfly. It's a wild butterfly. Yeah, but we parked so far, so we're trying to take a shortcut through the trails. He's here trying to catch the butterfly. Nice. Okay. And see you when I kayak. You could do a whole film in here. What are those sounds? Oh my god. This is something you see in those Disney movies, Jungle Book. Ooh. He's good at doing his vlog. I'm kind of tired. This was a relaxing canoeing trip though. Okay, so we're back to where we paid.
They'll take your phone number and they'll text you in your future. You get
And get some food and a drink. And yeah.
There's a long line.
Wow, I did not see that. Copyright, I forgot. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you for watching my first vlog back. Hopefully I'll do more. But yeah guys, I just had some bomb egg rolls. Like it was a chicken Philly cheesesteak egg roll and a soul food egg roll with macaroni and cheese in it, collard greens, mumbo sauce, and it was so good. Cheese, it was good, and some lemon pepper wings, hot honey wings, and fries. It was so good. And yeah guys, I really want to start eating healthier though. Just when I gain a few more pounds, I'm gonna start working out. So thank you guys for tuning into my vlog. I'm really learning how to vlog again, getting back into the groove. So I hope it was good. I hope you guys still got to enjoy it, and hope y'all are doing great.